Welcome to the TYTUS family. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to assemble your TYTUS grill with 2 people, no tools, in about 5 minutes. To start, unbox your grill and set aside your warming rack. Open grill lid. Remove instruction manual, grates, flame tamers, and upper rear cart panel. Set them nearby. Next, unsnap the 4 latches on the sides of the grill. With the help of your partner, grasp the handholds on the sides of the grill box. Then lift it straight up and set it in front of or behind the folded down cart. Now you will have 2 separate pieces, the grill box and the grill base cart. We'll start with the grill base cart. To begin, lift up the front panel, followed by the side panel, which you will lock into place by gently pressing down the locking handle. Repeat that same lifting and locking process with the other side panel. From there, lift the back panel, then push the locking handles down to secure it to the right and left side panels. Locate the upper rear cart panel, which was stored in the burner box. From the inside of the cart, angle the bottom of the panel at 45 degrees to place it into the slots on the back of the grill base cart. Pull the panel toward you and push down. Now we will attach the grill box to the grill base cart. With another person, grasp the handholds on the sides of the grill box. Then lift it up on top of the grill base cart and align the latches on the sides. Keep the grill box level as you lower it straight down. Don't tilt or twist it. Lower it slowly to carefully align the latches. The grill base cart's cabinet doors should face the same direction as the front of the grill box. From there, lock all 4 latches on the sides of the grill. Now you'll want to feed your regulator hose through the opening on the right side panel. Next, install the cooking components. Start by inserting the flame tamers into the grill box. The notches at the end of each flame tamer will fit into the slots at the back of the grill box. Next, place the 2 stainless steel cooking grates over the flame tamers. Finally, insert the ends of the warming rack into the holes in the rear of the grill box and rotate it down into place. From here, you're ready to attach the side shelves. Start by retrieving the left or right side shelf. Align the side shelf slots with the bolts on the grill box at a 45-degree angle. Rotate the shelf up until it's parallel with the floor. Then, repeat this process to secure the second shelf. Finally, let's connect your propane tank. Start by loosening the wing nut on the back of the grill. Next, place your propane tank into the grill base with the tank valve facing the front left corner. Attach your regulator hose to the propane tank, and then return to the back of the grill base to tighten the wing nut. Now you're ready to start grilling on your TYTUS grill. It's as easy as that. For additional support and ideas, visit TYTUSgrills.com.